Welcome to this Gardener Gone Wild, Evie and the Evielings special. So you might think, is this just another video of one very cute duck and a whole bunch of very cute little ducks? Or is there something more to this video? Perhaps this video is a sign of things to come. Anyway, I probably don't need to be so mysterious. I'm disappearing tomorrow! Yes, or rather, I probably would have already disappeared by the time you see this video. Because, yes, as we're saying this, but today is Wednesday of whatever week it is. I know it's in August. And, I think that's all you need to know.
26.
Oh, production! Stop spoiling things! I mean, there's always a pull down description, or really wouldn't really bother with that. Anyway, enough of rambling. You see all the cute little Evies and Evielings and their nibblings. Oh, lots of nibblings. You might be wondering why there's a blob of dirt there. But that was because Evie did a splat! Didn't you, Evie? Evie split! So basically, yeah, I guess I'm saying goodbye to everyone, because I'll be disappearing. Hey, Evie! No more Salem to hiss at and eat fingers. So anyway, I guess it's time to move on. Oh, I think Evie's coming up to say goodbye. Hey! See you, Evie. See you, Evielings. Obviously, I'm not actually leaving today. I'm leaving tomorrow, but anyway, it looks
6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to gloss over that fact. One does not like mornings that start before the actual morning starts, even though I know I'm going to have to get used to those. Oh, Evie!
She pooed again.
Yes!
Evie!
Camera poopies.
Wasn't as bad as the other one.
No, it's just a little splat. It wasn't a big splat. Didn't really make much noise. All the ducklings in a very well staggered row.
All getting the last of the afternoon sun.
Yes, seems like it looks sunny. Yes, this is nearing the end of the sunny day. And no, I don't mean Sunday, because today's Wednesday. But, yes. Anyway, let's head out the back. Before we go out the back, let's have a look at the guinea gins. As you can see, Smokey is out enjoying the nice fresh grass. And Bandit's hiding in the house, having a little siesta. And, even though you probably can't see it with Bandit, had a nice haircut. They're all ready themselves. Yeah, they're all ready, good to go. Although they're not going, I'm going. And, yeah, munching on the grass here, as you see. See, are the girls out? No, they're in the house. Let's have a look. I think I see, oh, thought I saw Dame Edith. Yeah, no, that is Dame Edith. Yes. Oh, that zoom does work quite well. So, yes, I guess we'll leave the guineas at that. Only one who's showing himself is our handsome Smokey. And who doesn't love the sound of a guinea pig eating? I can't believe I nearly forgot Study, or rather Custard, but for some reason I always call her Study. Maybe it's because she does seem to spend a lot of her time studying in her house. Hey! Study or Custard or Custard or Study. And you just want to hang out there, don't you? Oh. There you go. Boop. Hey, boop. You are a silly thing. I seem to have a couple of annoying shavers by the gate. And I hear Mr. Big Duck! Yay! Yay, 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 yay! Isn't he just such good fun? You do like the red camera, don't you? Yes, you do. You like the red camera. And Shaver! And Mr. Big Duck! As you can see, I have some clods of grass. And what do you do if you don't have any grass about the place? You plant them. Yes, that's right. I've seriously dug up grass from the nearby abandoned horse paddock and planted it in the ground. And that's exactly what I'll be doing with the other grass, which is over here with a whole bundle of chickens. And yes, Mr. Big Duck is nearby. Oh, isn't he just such fun to hang out with? As you can see, Mumsy's at the top of a mountain. And now she's not. Hey, Mr. Big Duck. So, yes. So that's the, seeing all the monsters, all the munchkins, and, yeah, making sure they're all ready for while I'm away. Even though I really can't stand you, Pavlova. Really can't. You are a horrible chicken. You are a horrible chicken. Horrible chicken. Good chicken. Horrible chicken. And everyone loves Dickie. Yes, really, she was originally called Licorice, believe it or not. But, let's face it, she's Dickie. There's nothing else we can really call her except Dickie. It sums her up quite well. And we've got chicken. And annoying shaver. I call her Crooked Toe. So yes, it seems as if all the chickens are congregating to that one pile of grass. Except Studdy, who's in her house, busy studying, of course. And before we go, we have to say hello to Misty. Hello! So as you can see, I think she's going to be totally fine while I'm away. She'll just find herself funny little places just like this. And yes, do her own little thing, shall we say. I think I got a head grubby from patting her, so sorry, Misty. And yes, that's the video from Gardener Gone Wild. So we're just going to finish off with, well, Sugar, of course. Or as I often like to call her, Cookie. Hey, or Sugar. Hey, are you smelling the camera? Do you like the smell of the camera? Yes, you do. Hey, your deep and thoughtful eyes and your interesting mouth. Anyway, so yes, I guess that's me, Gardener Gone Wild, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this big cat's face. So yeah, did I say thank you for watching? Of course, thank you for watching. And please remember to like, subscribe, and feel free to leave something in the comments section. Preferably something nice. And, yes, until next time, from Gardener Gone Wild. And all the fun, fuzzy, friendly faces and feathery ones. In here, well, not in here, well, around the place, at Gardener Gone Wild headquarters. And where was I now? Just a quick little thing. Yes, so I will be handing over to productions while I'm away, so who knows what will happen. I'm sure good things will happen though.